Hi, my name is Liam, and today I'll be showing you how to read a schematic and how to program these drives to that schematic. And I'll also be showing you the basic menu system and how that operates. So as you see, it currently says F on the left. That means the set current frequency what it's supposed to be set at. If you see this button here, mode, if you press it once, the H stands for what the frequency actually is set to, what it actually is running. If you press it again, it will be the DC bus voltage of the drive. Next, when you press it again, A means for the current output for amps. So that'll be after what the motor is running. If you press it again, it will show that the drive's in forward rotation mode. Press it again. PLC 1 or PLC 0 is the internal PLC in the VFD. If it says PLC 1 and the PLC light is blinking, that means that it is operating and running. If you press it again, you'll see F in the corner again, and this is the beginning of the loop. To set a parameter, you will press the Enter button, and you see on the left it says 0, 0. On the schematic, under the Parameter tab of your tables, for example, it says 02-03. So to set that parameter, we will hit the up arrow twice, 1, 2. We will hit Enter to go to the next segment. We will hit the up arrow 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Now it says on the schematic 02.03. Hit the Enter button, and as default, it is set to 1, but on your schematic, it says 42. So we will hit the up arrow until we see the number 42. Once you see 42, hit the Enter button, and you'll see End. It will save the parameter. You will do these for all the following parameters on your schematic. There you have it. Now that we have learned how to navigate the menu system and read the schematic, we were able to program the parameters on the drives. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Republic Manufacturing. Thank you.